In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the front camera unavailable message on your Toyota RAV4. This usually happens because of a connection issue or a software glitch. First, try restarting your car's infotainment system by turning off the engine, waiting a few minutes, and then turning it back on. This simple reset often clears temporary errors. If the message still shows, check the front camera lens for dirt, debris, or damage. Clean it gently with a soft cloth. Next, inspect the wiring and connectors behind the camera for any loose or damaged connections. You may need to remove the front grille or bumper to access this. Also, check if your infotainment system has any software updates available and install them if needed. If these steps don't fix the problem, the camera itself or its control module may need professional repair or replacement. If this video helped you fix the front camera on your Toyota RAV4, please like and subscribe for more practical car tech tips. Thanks for watching.